Hello, everybody. This is Vanessa with Vans, Van and Travels, and I've been doing a little bit of traveling today around Flagstaff. I went to, I went to take more pictures of the mountains, and I did get some gorgeous views, and oh my goodness, it's so pretty here right now. And I'm happy we're not getting heavy snowstorms like I don't know what they call heavy snowstorms. This is not what I call heavy snowstorms. Maybe I just haven't seen one, and that's okay. I'm prepared either way. But I got a couple clips for you of the snowstorm we had yesterday. It's kind of funny if you want to know the truth. I wasn't going to give you a hint about it, but I think I was saying something about the Weather Channel predicted that a heavy snowstorm would start at 2:30, and I was laughing about it. I said, well, the sun's shining and it's warm. And about 2:23, 2:24, something like that, it got real cold and started snowing like crazy. It wasn't that big of a deal, I can tell you. I think we got more during the night last night, but um and I don't think it melted away. I think it probably blew away because it's been pretty cold today, and it was really cold last night. And I had my heat on most of the night, and this afternoon I got ready to take off, and I took my reflectix off my passenger window, and I had left it down about that far. I left my fan vent open, so yeah, it was cold in here last night. I knew I was running the heat more than ever, but anyway, that's just stuff I do. I went out to Sunset Sunset Crater Volcano. I just went inside the Welcome Center, and I'm going tomorrow. I'm definitely going and doing the tour and um, get all the clips that I can out there. Hopefully, it'll be interesting. It's very pretty out there. And from what I stopped and read, I went in the visitor center and I found a lot of cool stuff about it. So I feel pretty good about it. I got so excited. I was like a little kid. When I drove up to the those little houses, I can't think what they used to call them, like a guard shack or something. I got ready to go through there, and I was looking at all the prices to see, how much it was going to cost to do this and that. And that guy said, do you, and I didn't care. I wanted to pay because I wanted to see it. And that guy said, do you have a park pass? And I totally forgot about it. I got my America the Beautiful pass for free because I'm disabled. And my doctor wrote me a letter, just one little short paragraph, and took me about 30 seconds to obtain it. So I got real excited about that. I think I saved $25 today, but I'm going to go back tomorrow and spend the day. And coming back, I'm going to put a video out tomorrow, but it may be late because as you go out of the park, there's a place called Sunset Sunset Meadow, and they have places where you can pull off and watch the sunset behind the mountains. I've seen pictures out there, and it's just gorgeous. And I'm pretty sure it will be. And I think it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow. Okay, I've got a bunch of pictures of mountain views, and some of them look exactly alike. It looks like I've got the same mountain repeatedly and did I say okay, I'm just going to stick with that. Sometimes I hear myself say something about 10 words later, and I'm thinking, what did I say? Um, I'm not going to delete this, and I'm not going to lose my train of thought, but I did. I don't have a clue. Oh, yeah, I was talking about the mountains. Thank you for letting me be myself again. Um, some of the mountains are the same and I'm going to try to distinguish them which one's which when I look through the pictures. But if I can't, just go ahead and enjoy because they're all pretty. I love you. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for everyone that writes a comment, that likes. If you share them, thank you. Thank you. I don't push my videos on anybody. The only place I post them is on YouTube and on Facebook on my channel, and that's okay if you do that. I think that's good, but I don't want to get a whole bunch of subscribers and not have the watch time. And right now I like it the way it is because the people that are subscribers are viewing my videos, and that I think that's wonderful, because at least if I ever do get monetized, which I think I will, then I've got some good people watching me, and that's what I like. So I'm not worried about it, and don't you worry about it. I'm having fun. I'm having a ball. And my leg has been good today. I mean, it's just been good today. I've been able to get out and walk a little bit, and it's starting to snow right now. Can you believe it? I mean, it's just little snow flurries, but they weren't even giving that today. Okay, that's it for today, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. I love you guys. Bye-bye. I can't believe it, but it actually started snowing right on, well, actually about 5 minutes earlier than what they predicted. They said 2:30, and I just couldn't believe them because it was warm and sunny all morning. It wasn't real warm, but it was too warm to snow. It's just started, so in case it gets dark and I couldn't get it for you, I promised to do the snowstorm. It's supposed to be a heavy one. I hope it is. I am prepared. My little home's getting wet. My little extra home. That's my let's see, my utility closet over there. Okay, it's time to get back in.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.